How to redeem rewards on Monopoly Go. Now, first things first, if you're currently using your laptop or your PC, just simply pull up your preferred web browser. Now, for this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Google Chrome. So let's just head to it. Now, once you already have Monopoly Go either on your Android device or your Apple device, all you have to do is to log into account and then play a game, play one match. Now, once you do, you can go ahead and visit this website right here. Now, if you already downloaded the app, once you click on this link right here, it will automatically route you to your game and then it will provide you the code. If you don't download or if you don't have the app yet, if you click on either of this rewards right here, it's going to be linking you out to download the game first. And then the second method of getting the code or getting that reward is uh, players will need to purchase the new Hasbro and Scopely Monopoly board game. So once you purchase that game, inside the game box, you will find a unique alphanumerical code that can be redeemed on the website for one-of-a-kind prizes like maybe the Premium Gold Mr. Monopoly Player token, and then so on and so forth. Now, all you have to do once you purchase that board, that's gonna be like maybe a single code in it, and then you'll just have to input it on the game once you logged in. So those are the steps and how you can redeem rewards on Monopoly Go.